The Indian Meteorological Department has predicted extremely heavy rainfall activity over northeast India and Sikkim during the next 2 days. The GST Council has decided to exempt cancer-fighting drugs, medicines for rare diseases, and food products for special medical purposes. Chemicals and Fertilizers Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya has directed the Drugs Controller General of India to take stringent action against all pharmaceutical manufacturing companies that make spurious drugs. Minister of State for Atomic Energy and Space Dr. Jitendra Singh has said that Chandrayaan-3 will open up new moon vistas for the world. The government has said that over 160,000 Ayushman Bharat health and wellness centers have been operationalized across the country.